Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at cleaning windows off a ladder. You'll notice we're going to use a pole, and that pole is stored at the top of the ladder in the top ladder rung. We're going to, as soon as we're done with that pole, we'll put it right back in that rung so we're not carrying that pole up and down the ladder for every single move with us. Allows us to keep two hands on the ladder and safely climb up and down that ladder. We're wetting the top right window, then the top left, and we will squeegee top left to the top right, putting our tools back in before moving down the ladder to clean the next set of windows. With this situation, we're using a 24-foot ladder. We choose to put this ladder placed onto that lower window frame. If we place that ladder up above that window, it would require us to use a 28-foot ladder. So by using this 24 below the window, it kind of saves us the weight of a heavier ladder, and it does add maybe a little bit more difficulty by using a pole. We're comfortable with using the poles off the ladder, and it's a safe situation to be in at the same time, and we find it saves us a little bit of time by doing it in this way. Once we use that pole to clean the upper windows, pulling that dirty water towards us, then we finish it off by hand, cleaning the windows downward. When we're cleaning 3 windows tall like this off this ladder, it's important to squeegee off the water as it drips onto the top of the window frame and the front face of the frame, so we're not having any drips on the clean windows as we come down. Again, we're using that same system where we wet that window to the right of us first, then to the left. We just use that same procedure all the time, that we just get used to working with that method. The top window here is a clear vision window. The second window is a panel, and then that third skinniest window is also a panel. So we'll clean these top 3 windows using a ladder. That leaves 2 windows remaining that need to be cleaned. We'll have another crew of guys that comes behind and clean those. So getting as much work as we can off this ladder, the top 3, allowing for easy access to ground level work on the bottom 2, which is going to be using 2 men and each having a pole, 1 wetting, 1 squeegeeing, following behind like that. So our lead guy is going to be on the ladder, cleaning the top 3 windows, then a crew of 2 guys comes behind, cleaning the bottom, that second from the bottom window, and then once we make it all the way around the building with that method, all 3 employees will clean that lowest window as walk-ups together. That's a look at cleaning windows off the ladder. You saw it here, Window Warriors Forum.